Hotshot Secret Diesel Extreme does a thorough job of cleaning the entire diesel fuel path from tank to combustion chamber, so engines feel noticeably smoother and more responsive. Its strong injector cleaning chemistry tackles both internal and external deposits, which helps restore a consistent spray pattern and reduces rough idle or hesitation. By raising cetane, it promotes more complete combustion, which can translate into better fuel mileage, quieter operation, and a bit more usable power under load. The formula also disperses water and includes robust corrosion inhibitors, giving older and newer diesel systems extra protection against rust and moisture-related wear. Because it is a concentrated 1-gallon jug, a small measured dose treats a large amount of fuel, making it practical for trucks, farm equipment, and diesel generators alike. Used on a regular schedule, it functions as a preventative maintenance tool that keeps injectors cleaner, emissions equipment happier, and overall engine performance more consistent.